Hello everyone, welcome to MIT ADT podcast. Today we have Head of the Department of AI, Dr. Jayashree Prasad with us to have a small talk. Welcome ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome.
So ma'am, how are you feeling today?
I am absolutely thrilled to be with all of you.
So ma'am, actually School of Computing collaborates with industry regarding the bridging the gap between the technologies the IT companies are having and school is giving. So how AIA department is helping it out?
Um, it's my favorite question. At Artificial Intelligence Department, we have Center of Excellence in Data Analytics. We have Center of Excellence in Brain-Computer Interface. And I'm very happy to share with you all that we started with one DST project, and eventually we came up with 15 to 16 problems which were catered to third year students. They are working on it since last 1 year, and through this 1 year work we are successfully able to publish 17 different patents on brain computer interface. We run this center of excellence in association with IS 360, which is a startup in brain computer interface. And along with these 17 patents, we have successfully published almost 10 plus papers, research papers. And one good thing, good news, I would rather say, which I can share with you all is now we are partnering with Amazon. They are ready to deploy all our projects on Amazon cloud, and they are also agreed to provide us the necessary hardware to carry out these projects. So, we are definitely a home for brain computer interface at Artificial Intelligence and Analytics. In addition to this Center of Excellence in BCI, we also have other diagnostic image analysis projects with HV Desai Eye Hospital. We are at present running 6 different projects which are helping us to identify some ophthalmology diseases. Almost 6 to 7 diseases we have been able to diagnose with diagnostic image processing.
Okay.
Apart from that, we are also working since last 3 years, we are working in diagnostic image analysis for cancer as well. And recently we have published a reputed paper with Oxford Academic Press with the scientist in University of Limerick, Ireland. So, this is all about the research update at Artificial Intelligence
That's
Department
nice,
at
ma'am.
CSE.
Exactly. It's actually the AI department. But how a student can take computer science and IT as a career? Like whosoever student will be coming to the world of engineering. So on what basis they should say us word, yes, we want computer science and AIT?
We can sense this trend. Computer and IT fields are not only or not just exciting, they are just the central, the way the world is evolving. And what makes this field future proof is its deep integration with almost all industries, say from healthcare to finance, say to agriculture, entertainment, to space exploration as well. And there are, I would say, 4 different reasons why computer and IT are buzzwords today. First reason is there is constant innovation. If you see artificial intelligence, data analytics, data science, blockchain technologies, say quantum computing, they are rapidly advancing. They are creating new career paths and redefining the existing ones. Apart from that, the universal demand is also in rise. So, companies worldwide are looking for skilled professionals who can build scalable systems, ensure cybersecurity, and provide insights from the data. Third reason, what makes it incredible is its competitive nature or interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary nature of CSE. So you can combine it with art, design, technology, what we are doing at MIT ADT University rightly, and that's why CSE becomes your tool to create meaningful differences.
Correct.
And last but not the least, it's the field of empowerment.
Sure.
Right now, it is giving you opportunity for creativity, problem solving, entrepreneurship as well. So, it is giving students the power to develop incredible systems that can make difference to millions of lives. So, as a concluding point, what I can say is if you are developing an AI model, whether you are developing a user friendly app or you are securing a large network, computer and IT will definitely remain not only relevant, but they will lead the future, and that's the power of CSE and IT, and that's the reason they are the buzzwords of today.
Correct, ma'am. So thank you so much. We'll be in touch with you. Thank you, everyone. This is all about today's podcast. Thank you.